Autaka sintwana ya makaya ho Timeline Sports tsatsing la kajeno ngwana me re kopane gaming ya Pirates. KG back to back win ya Cape Town City. We bona jwang pro waka?
Yeah, no, ke nana ya I deserve because it was the director right. Mshini ki director, ki good coach from history nya we all know re unal kapteka mo South Africa since afitli. So far Cape Town City ke bona re bona tsebekae mara godiminyana mo le teng.
Ocho, the return of Moshinetu Kral brings that lucky for Cape Town City because last week a winner against Kaizer Chiefs. Today, Hashapa Abulaya another Soweto team in expense of Orlando Pirates. Look, going forward, Cape Town City, Lemushini, permanent contract. What do you see?
Yeah, I got a permanent contract because the style of play sa high as twanily let's a kusting at South Africa. That's why I wanna winner. Pela win game is back to back and then Arwa check win like team Lord the chop South Africa until yeah. It's on that shaping. I feel back to back. So permanent contract definitely on Leon.
Khabone game e monate ya Orlando Pirates le yona Cape Town City, very tight game. First half not second half they even got a goal towards the later stages sa game. Tito umesa penele ambulance ya Timbisa, ambulance ya Israel. What's your take on that?
The way ke boning ka teng we korile ka ngondo aswerai I just ora say korile vele. That's why we love on the way re ileng ka teng a relaxite. Even if Naira ile ka ntshore ke ra maybe ba ka ithiba na ka khutlela e kora because e khutlile hape fielding wa ntshole so cause ena na e korile we raile I am after we tatlafatse o no thusa ka next ball e khutlile ka fielding kora ball simple
until the game on.
Yeah,
after that incident ya Tito, I think it was around 71st minute, we see Gonzalez coming back and scoring that winning goal. Psychologically and who Pirates players unahana hore e ba affectile ho kaka.
The way ke boning ka teng ne mola ibile hore Cape Town City ile ya utilize ka counter attack ne. Yeah, after more as that penalty ke yona ile nga ba fa matla hore personal chance hore ka win and yes ba khona win ke mo ba khona ukuthola goal
and 3 points ena e sebeleditse Cape Town City e ba ke bone I think they moved to the top to position 6. They still have another games to improve. How shebile Moshine to Kral top 3 contestant league, is it possible?
Yeah, ka Moshine ke na le tshepo ka ena. I'm a Kosi fan but ke believe lo Moshine because ke am tseba hore when coming to style of football, yeah, no, he's good, that guy.
Ke utaka sindona ya makaya o Timeline Radio Sports. When I subscriber fela wa tseba ke Timeline Radio Sports every day, every week, 7 days a week o tla thola teng o Timeline Radio.